If your bathroom sink is slow to drain, you may need to unclog the U-shaped pipe under the sink, called the P-trap, as well as remove the plunger to properly clean out the drain. The tools you'll need for this project are small and large-sized buckets and an old toothbrush. In order to have enough working room, completely clean out the area under the sink. The first step is to remove the P-trap. Place a small bucket under the P-trap to catch any water that may still be in the drain. There are two nuts that attach the P-trap to the drain pipes. These are usually tightened by hand. However, if there is a lot of buildup, you may need an adjustable wrench to loosen them. Loosen the nuts and slowly pull the P-trap away from the drain. Be cautious as any water in the drain will start dripping into the bucket. Clear any visible debris from the drain. Take the clogged P-trap to another sink. Clear out and dispose of any clogged pieces and then scrub the P-trap with an old toothbrush and rinse it out well. Now remove the plunger from the sink. Unscrew the rod attachment from the back of the drain under the sink. Pull the rod out of the attachment. The plunger can now be pulled up and out from the sink basin. Look down through the drain. Even though you may be able to see through, it could still have a lot of hair or particles clogging the drain. With the large bucket under the drain opening, run a gentle stream of water while cleaning the drain with a toothbrush. Do this from under the pipe as well. Replace the plunger into the basin, carefully aligning the notched opening to the back of the sink. Insert the rod through the opening in the drain and tighten the nut. Place the cleaned P-trap back onto the drain pipes and tighten the nuts. With your hardware reassembled, your sink should have no trouble draining. If you have any questions about this process, call Home Spectors at 336-382-7269.